Hey, today I am going to show you how to use public transportation, how to use such a card, why it is more convenient than a one-way ticket, all of it in just 3 minutes. And at the end of the video I am going to give you one tip how to use public transportation even more conveniently.
Here are some subway stations shown. They have all one thing in common: the sign with the circle and the rectangle in the middle.
Next you will most likely see the map of the whole Beijing subway, and it will also show the position at which station you are. When you enter the subway station you will need to go through a security check, which is similar to an airport security check. For the one-way ticket, go to the ticket machine, set the language in the bottom left to English, choose the line of the subway which will stop at your final destination. On the left side you can choose how many tickets you want to have and then choose the final destination. You can pay by cash or by Alipay or WeChat. I will choose WeChat
because it's more convenient for me, and then you will get such a card.
For the rechargeable ticket you will need to go to such a counter. Usually there's someone sitting inside, but I wasn't as fortunate. Nobody was sitting inside, so I needed to ask some stuff. I showed them that I would like to buy a rechargeable ticket for 50 yuan. I will write the translation in Chinese in the comments, so you can just show your phone to the staff and they will know what you are talking about. The ticket will be charged with 30 yuan and 20 yuan as deposit, and you can get the deposit back at the subway station or at the airport. And now you're good to go. Take a look for the green arrow and swipe your card. Only the one-way ticket needs to be inserted if you want to leave the subway station. The rechargeable ticket can also be used in the bus. But be aware, you have to swipe the card when you leave the bus. Every time you swipe your card in the subway or in the bus, you can see how much money is left on the ticket and the price you are paying.
And if the ticket is empty, you can simply recharge it at the ticket machine. Inside of the subway station you will have the name of the current subway station above the entrance to the subway, and you will always have a map with the direction in which the subway will go. Once the subway arrived, be aware that you always get inside of the subway from the side and go outside from the middle. Now it's time to relax until you reach the final destination or the destination where you change your subway. Above all doors you will see in which direction the subway is going and at which subway station it will stop. Additionally, a light or a sign will indicate which door opens. So enjoy taking the subway.
So I love this song. We are at the end of the video and now I'm going to give you my tip. Download the app Metroman. I will give you a link below in the comment. So leave also some comment there if you liked it, if it helped you and what your experience was in the train or in the subway or in the bus in Beijing. Thank you.